Hello friends, is there any other language to replace the English language as a global language? Because you know that English is a global language and nothing can impossible in this world. Anything can happen. So is there any other language which will replace the English language as a global language? If you look back in previous times, the Latin was the global language. Then English replaced it as a global language. And you know that English is also different periods. You can say that Shakespeare's English, then Victoria's English, then Elizabeth English, then this modern English language. And after this in future more modern English language will replace this English. So in this way you can say that anything can happen. English can be replaced by other language, but not easily. And if there are the chances of such some languages which can replace the English language, those languages might be Spanish, Mandarin or Hindi languages. But these languages are spoken in a country, single country. English language is spoken as a first language in many countries, and in the countries those are ruling countries of the world. So I think that there are the chances that some languages replace the English language. You can say that Chinese are trying to make their language the international language, but it is too much difficult to replace English language. It takes time, periods, in different phases required, and there are so many hurdles. There might be hurdles, and if any language can, I think that replace the English language, that can be the Latin language, which had been the international language in previous period. So I think that there are the phases required, and the main reason of English language becoming the international language, the British colonial system. You know that British were ruling in the whole world, and due to their ruling they established this language, and finally this language became the global language. And before this language, as I told you, Latin was the global language, but English dominated the Latin language and become the global language. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then allow me, and before leaving please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.